Hey guys, so this is video number 2 of the air compressor buy. If you remember on another video made a little while ago, we bought this Atlas Copco XAS90 from a construction company, XAS90. It's a 185 CFM compressor, and we picked this up. It was for sale, brought it here to the barn. It's been sitting in the barn now for about a month. Maybe a month and a half. And anyway, it runs great, guys. We made a video of it running. It's got John Deere 4-cylinder engine in there, diesel. It's complete. And I thought, we're either going to pull the motor out and sell it, or we're going to clean this thing up cosmetically and sell it. And somewhere along the line, I decided that we were going to clean it up cosmetically and sell it. So we pulled the doors off, guys. They're right there. We pulled the end caps off, so the front cover and the rear cover, which are right there, and started kind of sanding and chipping away at the paint, hammering out some dents, guys. There was a really big dent back here. This whole back corner was kind of caved in, and I managed to pound that out and get it actually pretty darn good. Look at that. Not bad, eh? I should have made maybe I can copy a clip of the video, the before video, and interject it right here real quick. We'll see if I can pull that off. I got some new grommets for these tail lights because the grommets were all rotten. I also picked up a new rain cap. This is all kind of ugly, so we're gonna slice this off and throw a rain cap on there. And number 1 has a printer. Sorry, not a printer. Cricut vinyl cutting machine that can cut out decals. So she has remade the XAS90 185 CFM and Atlas Copco decals, as well as the John Deere decals. These ones here, John Deere Power. So we're gonna have some fresh new decals on it. It's gonna have a new coat of paint, guys. It's gonna have we're gonna go black on the bottom, and we're gonna go the same kind of yellow. It was called Holland yellow. We found it at Canadian Tire, so we're gonna do basically from here up yellow, the bottom black. We got the fenders off, we got the wheels here, cleaning them up. And this thing, you're not gonna recognize it, guys, when it's done. Whoops, that's my sander I just stepped on. So anyway, just thought you wanted to see a quick update on how this thing was coming along. I'll link the first video of this at the end of this video. I'll probably also throw a link to the finished product. We'll outside in the sun. We'll have it showing off. Really sorry the lighting's not very good in here, guys. We got fluorescent light shining and everything. But anyways, there it is, Atlas Copco XAS90. Oops, there's the other fender right there. It's coming together. Hit the subscribe button so you can see the finished product when we're done. Thanks for watching.